You need to enter Canada, but have found out that you are currently inadmissible due to a criminal conviction on your record. If your conviction makes you inadmissible, what can you do? Getting special permission to enter Canada is a highly complex legal process that may just overwhelm you. At FW Canada, we specialize in making the complex simple, so let us explain your options to you. There are two ways of overcoming inadmissibility. The temporary way, by applying for a temporary resident permit, or for short, a TRP, and the permanent way, by applying for criminal rehabilitation. In order to be eligible for criminal rehabilitation, 5 years must have passed since the completion of your sentence, which includes payments of fines, driving courses, community service, probation, and any other conditions which may have been imposed on you. Once an application for criminal rehabilitation is approved, your inadmissibility to Canada will be permanently lifted. Until you are eligible for criminal rehabilitation, you will need to apply for a temporary resident permit. To get a TRP, you must have a specific reason for needing to enter Canada. You can apply for a TRP through a Canadian visa office or at a port of entry. However, advance notice can take a while to obtain, so it is best to apply well in advance of your intended travel date. If you are eligible for criminal rehabilitation, you should apply for both rehabilitation and a TRP, as criminal rehabilitation is a permanent solution, while a TRP is a temporary bridge. Establishing the equivalent offense in Canada is important. It does not matter how lightly or severely a given crime is treated in the country where it occurred. What is important is the gravity of the offense under Canada's criminal code. This will determine the processing times and fees for your application. Unfortunately, the government does not facilitate these applications the same way they do with study permits, work permits, and permanent residence. So you would be well served to get assistance from an experienced immigration lawyer who specializes in criminality.